The 3 best types of websites to make money online right now. You want to know what they are? Watch and find out.
Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
What's up, everyone? Adrian Morrison here, and today I'm going to be talking about 3 types of websites to help you make money online and even replace your day job if you want to. I'm recording this video because I want to give you some ideas to help you think outside the box when it comes to making money online. But before we do that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and you turn on notifications, because every week I help people just like you with free videos just like this learn how to make money on the internet, do e-commerce, do Facebook ads, and just become better entrepreneurs and run real online businesses, right? So look, typically when I talk to students, they only know about 1 or 2 of the strategies that I'm going to be showing you today. And if one of those strategies doesn't work for them, they typically give up. So what I wanted to do is create a video where I talk about 3 different types of websites to help you make money on the internet. We'll go over the pros and the cons and even how you can use all 3 to get you where you want to be. So let's dive in. All right, now the first type of website is a survey site. These are sites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, where you fill out long-form surveys or watch commercials to make a quick couple of bucks. With these types of sites, you can easily lock in between $5 to $10 a day without spending any money of your own, which is pretty cool. And a lot of people hate on these sites, and look, I'll be honest, I never use them myself, but hey, if you don't have any money to invest and you have some free time, instead of just watching Netflix and doing nothing, right, you can make a little bit of cash online. So why wouldn't you? I actually knew a guy that would fill out these types of surveys while he was donating plasma and making money from that. So this strategy isn't going to make you a millionaire, right, or anything, but it's a cool little way to make some money. Right? It's a great place to start making money online, and I know that it is possible without putting any money of your own up front, out of pocket, right? And without having to even master any particular type of skill. The second type of websites to make money online are sites that are looking for virtual jobs. These are sites like FlexJob and Remote Bliss, where you can literally choose what hours you want to work, what days you want to work, and what you're able to do. Now, for some of these, you'll need some experience, right? But there are plenty of jobs on these sites that will pay for virtually like nothing, just being a virtual assistant to cover emails, right? Or take notes. I mean, it doesn't require a bunch of skill. Some of these jobs require nothing more like data entry even, where you'll just be checking stats and filling out sheets. Again, no skill necessary. I know that when I hire people to do these types of tasks for my business, I lay out everything that they need to do it step by step by step. So you really don't need any experience to make a few $100s or even a few $1,000s a month on your own time. The third website that's going to help you make money online is the one that you're on right now, YouTube. Now look, this one may seem obvious because if you're watching this video, you probably already know that you can use this website here to learn about ways to make money online. But here's something that I want to encourage you with. When I was just getting started over a decade ago, YouTube barely existed, and no one was teaching you how to make money online. I can promise you that. But now, more than ever, I've seen absolute legit videos uploaded day after day with strategies that I'd pay a ton of money for that are absolutely free right now. It's mind-boggling. Heck, you can even scroll through my personal channel here and you'll see every week I'm uploading hour-long trainings that could teach you how to get started today, and they're free. But the problem is YouTube is fundamentally an entertainment channel, and people treat it just like it's another streaming service, rather than treating it as if it's a full-blown university where you can learn anything you want if you just put the time and effort in. So if you don't want to sit around filling out surveys and you don't want to be someone else's virtual assistant, well, let you challenge yourself to build your own online business today from scratch using YouTube. And if you're wondering how to do that, click the link in my description. That's going to take you to a brand new training that I just put together on how to start an e-commerce store. And I take it from $0 to $100 in a day. And again, this YouTube channel is full of free videos, right? I challenge you to consume information from YouTube. And yeah, sure, there's going to be trainings that cost money as well. YouTube's a great place to get started, to learn about something, then to invest in further education, right? It could put you on the right path. So check out the training below. It's a free one, and you can literally clone my entire e-commerce funnel. I'm going to show you the product. I'm going to show you the exact funnel. I'm going to show you the exact Facebook ad and how I took it from $0 to $100 a day overnight. And again, all of this right here waiting for you on YouTube. So click that below. Make sure that you like and subscribe and turn on notifications, because the more you like my videos, the more people see them. YouTube shows your video more often as more viewers actually show interest in that video. So do me that favor as I continue to do you a favor every week and upload completely free training. Comment below, what did you think about today's training? Which really appeals to you? Filling out surveys for money, being a virtual assistant, or using free knowledge to explode and build your own online empire? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you next week for our next free video.